Hello everyone, we are team 80-3 from VIT University. Our project title for TI Analog Design Contest 2012-13 India is Handheld Vehicle Lock Control System. And while making this project, following components were used from TI. L29CD motor driver, TS12A45170R, IC analog switch dual, and CC10 automotive UHF transceiver, along with MSP430 FG4618 microcontroller. That we are using in our project. This is the transformer which is giving the AC supply to the bridge rectifier circuit, and after this we are getting the DC supply for the project, for the working of the project. Now here we are using a L29CD for that is a motor driver for running the motor, that is for opening and closing of the door. And we are using three sensors over here. This is a piezo sensor, this is a gas sensor, and this is a pressure sensor. The piezo sensor and pressure sensor will be on the windows and the body of the car. So in case of any forceful intrusion or any kind of breakage to the car, these will send the message to the microcontroller, and which in turn will send the message from the GSM module to the user's phone. And one more thing that we have included is the gas sensor. In case we have some LPG kit car, so if there is any kind of leakage from the gas cylinder, this will detect, and so that user will come to know that there is a leakage in the car, so it is dangerous to be in the car, so it will get out from the car. Now here we for the communication part, we are using the infrared. So this is the infrared transmitter, and this is the infrared receiver. So this is the opening button and this is the closing button. So whenever the user will press the opening button, the car this motor will. Now I'll tell you the usage of this pressure sensor and the piezo sensor. Now if I'll try to have the forceful intrusion to the car, for example, if I try to open the door forcefully or try to hit the car, see, when I just touch the piezo sensor or the pressure sensor, the buzzer buzzed in a very long kind of beeps I got, and in some time I'll get a message alert. Let's wait for the message. See, I just got the message. I've saved the number of this GSM module as car alert. See, the message says car in danger. So when the user will get this message, he'll run to his car and will find whether the car is really in danger, or some gate or if the car is there or not, or someone has hit his car or not. So this is the efficient anti-car theft system that we have made, and it's working properly. So this system is very cost effective also, and everyone we can have this system in the medium mid segment cars like we have in our homes. Firstly, I'd like to thank Texas Instruments for their concept of introducing their components to the students in university level, and encouraging us to do our projects. And I'd also like to thank my university for their encouragement, and especially to my mentor, Mrs. Padmini, without whom this project would have been impossible. And I'd also like to thank my friends and my parents for their support. Thank you.